Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how you can create a fully personalized AI chatbot for your website, which will basically provide you support on your website when you be sleeping. Let me tell you a story. I get so much frustrated when I visit a website and can't figure out what they are offering. I always think just let me ask someone real quick, but nope, 90% of the time there are no one to chat with. Just a form asking for my email and phone number. We'll get back to you, they say. But here's the thing. In my recent study, I found out that you can increase your sale by 200% if you integrate an AI chat. Let me show you a quick demo. So in the chatbot, if you click here, you can ask any question. For an example, let's say hello, and it will ask for your email. Once you put your email, it will immediately start answering your questions. So it's say, hello, how can I help you? Let's say here, tell me more about the kettle brand. Here you go. It's giving you the full answer about this question. You can also ask like, tell me more about Woodmart, which is basically the theme. And here, as you can see, it's giving you a in details answer. In this video, I will walk you through the complete process of how you can install this in your website. And as a business owner, I know how important your website, but for a website, the hosting is the most important thing. If you are looking for the most optimized hosting, you can use this link, which you will find in the description box, and you will get crazy discount in the hostinger. Also, if you have any kind of question related to website, you can visit this link, which you will find in the description box, and let us know. We will try our best to respond to you as soon as possible. By the way, if you want to create an e-commerce website, I have created an in details video about how you can create e-commerce website from scratch, and also it will be totally free. So click this I button and you will find this video. So we are in the WordPress dashboard. Here we will scroll down and go to the plugin page, and we will click for add new plugin. And in the plugin page, we will search for Tidio. Okay, after search for Tidio, you will see the first plugin, Tidio Live Chat and AI Chatbot. Click on install now. And once it's installed, we need to click on active. Okay, now when you click on active, it will redirect you to the plugin page, and here we will need to go to the Tidio page, scroll down, and you will see the Tidio in the left menu. So if you click on Tidio, it will redirect you to the Tidio page, and here you need to create an account, and once you create this account, it will redirect you to the Tidio panel. There you can manage everything about your Tidio chatbot. Now, once you create this account, you will see another option, which is integrate with WooCommerce. And if you enable this option, it will give you some extra feature about WooCommerce in your chatbot. So click on integrate WooCommerce and you will see this pop up. And here you can see it will access your view coupon, view products and customer and other data. So basically when people ask about the coupon and products, it can give the more precise answer if you allow this. So we need to approve it. Once you approved, our work in the WordPress dashboard is done. Now, if you click on open Tidio panel, it will redirect you to the Tidio panel. And here you can manage everything about your Tidio. It will ask you some basic questions like what's your name, what are you doing? So I'm putting my name, and here I will select the marketing, or like I'm business owner. And it will ask you if you were using any service like the chatbot, like Talk2 is a very popular one, or live chat. These are some popular one. If you want to like input data from them, you can select. Otherwise, I will just select the I'm just getting started. Now click on next, and it will ask you for the model. Like there are two type of model, one's for the service provider and another for the e-commerce online products. So we will select the e-commerce online products, and here we will select an industry, like we have furnitures. We will select something related to home, and it will ask you for how many conversation you want, and we will select like up to 200. Yep. Click on next, and how many visitors you expect. So I'm choosing here 1000 to 9999, and you can select your own. And the customer support agent, you can select more. Now click on next, and it will ask you the using purpose and goal of the Tidio. So our sole purpose is to have the chatbot, AI chatbot. So we will select this one. You can explore the other options. So we will select this one, and it will ask you for the way of interaction with your customer. So we will only select the web via live chat. You can select the other option, and I will explore and explain other option later in this video as well. Now our the setup is almost done. Just click on let's go. Now the setup process is complete. It will redirect you to the dashboard, and here it will ask for the permission to have the trial features. And to be honest, it's totally worth it, like the view info and live visitor list and deep analytics and other things are totally worth it. But right now we will only go for the free feature. So we will close down this, and it will ask for the mail connection. We will talk about this later in this video. And let's just focus on the dashboard right now. So we will close the pop-up, and based on our selection, our sole purpose is to use the AI chatbot. So it will give us suggestion to set up properly. So we will select the Lido AI, set up Lido AI, and it will redirect you this page. Here we need to provide our website URL, and we will copy this URL and paste it there. And you will get two options basically. If you choose the priority pages, the AI will automatically figure out the pages it will take knowledge from. And if you choose the single page, then if you want any specific page to include in the knowledge base, you can provide the link by choosing the single page. Now we will paste our website URL and click on import knowledge, and it will automatically figure out the pages it will take knowledges from. If there any page missing, we will include that manually later in this video. It's gonna take a little bit time. Let's explore the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you will see we have performance, we have the Lido AI chatbot, the conversion rate, and the other bunch of options. We will explore one by one. On the left side, we have inbox, and here in the inbox, you will see all the conversation you will have, like the visitor have in your website. And on the left side, if you take a look, you will see the open conversation, the uncategorized, solved, or if there is any other level you would like to include. If you click on create simulate a conversation, it will give you a full demo, like how it will work. So this is a demo website, and if we click on this chatbot and we write something like hello, is there anyone to anyone to talk? Great. So it will ask for the email. I will provide you a dummy email here just to show you how this thing works. And by the way, when customer provide you this email, it will also include in your Tidio dashboard. So you can use this email later in your marketing things as well. So once you click on like sign up with this email, you will see it will immediately show up in your conversation here. You will see the uncategorized one conversation, and by joining conversation, you can join this conversation and you can chat with your customer. So we will say, hello, how can I help you? Okay. As you can see, it will immediately appear in the user site. And also, if you notice, if I'm writing something here, it will show the typing animation as well. By the way, that's a premium feature, but it's totally worth it. Now, there are some other bunch of options like the quick response. So if you want to set up some quick response, you can set up that as well. Like if you have so much visitors and they keep taking supports, it will be much easier to manage the clients. By the way, that's a premium feature. We already include the plans link in the description and you can purchase your Tidio plan or upgrade your plan by clicking that link, and it will be highly appreciated. I believe you get a picture that how the conversation is happening and working. Now it has some bunch of options like solve. If you consider this solve, it will like end up in the solve level, and you can create some customized level as well as per your requirement. So let's delete this one and get back to the dashboard again. And the TDO is already import the pages from our website. Let's take a look the pages. You can check these pages by clicking the data sources. So here you will see all the pages it's take knowledge from, like the contact us, gift card, about us, and homepage. Now you click on test Lido, you will see the expected question and it will answer from the website. So the first question we have the what can I expect from the furniture brand carrier in this store, or like the third one, where is the kettle brand from? Click on that and it will answer your question that this is from Spain, and read more here. And if there is any page existed about this knowledge, it will redirect you there. So I hope you get the picture that how it's working. There are more questions and you can see there. You can also test it, like the how gift card work in the WooCommerce store, or how can I purchase it, and it will give you the answer. Okay, now we have the email option as well, but we will not use that. We will only focus on the live chat in this video. And on the suggestion, basically when you active the Lido and people ask the same question again and again, it will give you suggestion like we can include this option or this question on your website as well. Now if you follow the wizard, it will ask for activation, and you also have the conversation limit, which is the 50 conversation, and you need to upgrade if you want more, and you can purchase the plan by clicking the link on the description. Now let's activate this. Once you activate the Lido, it will immediately start working on your website. As you can see, it's activate now. And now we need to configure this properly. You can see the live conversation and other statistics. Now, if you want to customize further your AI, we need to go to the configure page, and here you can integrate WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram as well, besides your live chat option. And we have the personality, and here you can customize your AI tone and other things, like if you want to change this name, but it will come up with only upgraded plan, so you can change this name, and you can include a company description as well here. On the answer personalization option, you can decide whether you want to use emojis or not, or the tone of voice of your AI. And there are some other bunch of options like the pre-built messages. You can customize that as per your requirement. And on the hands off, you will see a bunch of other options, like if you are online, who will talk like AI or you can explore these options as well. Now here our AI chatbot setup is done. Now if we go to the hub, you will see we have email, but we are not using it. We have transfer to operate, which is the basically handoff option. And if we go to the data source, you will see these are the pages the AI automatically take. So here, for an example, if the AI miss any important page, you can include that. And by clicking add, you will see this pop up. You can directly import the data manually, or you can import from CSV or other sources. So click on add manually. For an example, if there is a question you would like your AI to answer, you can include the question and you can answer this option as well. So whenever a visitor asks this question, the AI will give you the answer. And here you can include the single page, like for an example, our FAQ page is missing. If you want to include the FAQ page, just paste the link and it will automatically include that. And on the suggestion, it will automatically show you the people most asked question. It will basically appear here, and you can include the most suggested question by the AI. Now let's explore the other options like the flow, and this is an amazing feature. You can create various flow for your website. If you click on add support flow, you will see that track your option. So if someone purchases a product from you, you can exclusively show them this notification like track your order or advance return request like this. You can also set up your personalized frequently asked question for your online store. If you use this template, here you can set up your question and answers. After you write down your answer, you need to click on save and then you need to activate it. You can also use advanced editing option, which will basically give you this kind of dashboard. If you ever create flows in Make AI, you can understand this flow and you can create your custom flows for your AI chatbots. You can also customize this step by clicking on it and customize the message. Well, you will find various flows in the flows option and you can set up as per your requirement on the website. On the customer tab, you will find about the visitors and the more insight like the information where they come, which browser they're using, and the other insights. By the way, this is a premium option, and if you want to use that, you need to upgrade it. Now let's go to the setting option, and in the settings you can customize your chatbot. Well, we will get back to the wizard later. So here in the general, you can customize the colors, and also you can pick your color, like let's go for the purple one. Also you can include your brand logo, but in order to add the brand logo, you need to upgrade the plan. Now moving on to the content, here you can customize about your chatbot default messages. You can include your chat agent logo or the chat agent photos by clicking here. I'm go with this one. And if you want to customize these messages, you can also do that as well. On the visibility and position, here you can set the chatbot position, whether it can be right or left, and it also has the corner and sidebar option. On the phone, we also have the left and right option. And by the way, if you disable this display option, it will not show on the desktop or phone. On the desktop, you can select the button type. It can be corner or sidebar, and you can customize your sidebar like background colors, text colors from here as well. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, we have the multi-language. You can include multiple language for your AI chatbot. On the advanced option, you can see if you want to enable the sound or if you want to show the offline status. If you want to include any integration, you can do it from here. And the chatbot page, if you want to create a separate page for your chat, you can also do it from here. On the help text, you can select if you want to include any other chat system like Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Click on that, and if you click integrate Facebook, it will redirect you to the login page and you just need to authorize it. The opening hour is a very important option. If you want to set your open hour, so the AI chatbot will redirect the visitor directly to you. Then we have the notification option. You can customize your notification and sounds from here as well. Now, if we go to the canned response, you can set your canned response as we show on when we are doing the simulation. And on the customer satisfaction, you can also include a customer satisfaction. So in that way, you can understand if the customer problem is resolved or not. Now in the downloads app option, here you can download app, and this is for the website owner. So you can properly respond all the messages, and you will get notified whenever the visitor seek for help. You will get the iOS, Android, and Windows, Mac, Linux app. You can download it as per your device requirement. Now let's get back to the website and check the chatbot we created. I'm opening this website on incognito so you can understand from user perspective. I'm opening this project and the Tidio panel side by side so you can get the idea about how the conversation is happening. So first of all, we are opening this chatbot and let's say hello there. It will ask for email. I am placing a dummy email here and click on send. Now it's say, hello, how can I help you? Well, let's find a brand. Scroll down a little bit here. Okay. Yep. Let's ask about the cattle brand. So I want to know more about cattle. Tidio. Okay. Let's check the spelling. Yep. Okay. And as you can see, it's giving you answer that the origin and other things, like the answer you can see. I really hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have any question in the comment section. And if you have any query, you can use our support link you will find in the description. See you in the next one. Thank you.